Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Yeah, that thing is so creepy. Oh. Oh my god, he's like, yo, right here, he kind of looks like a level 3 character from like My Singing Monsters or something. One of those dragon games. Jesus Christ, what is he freaking out about? What bird is this? What bird is this? I still can't figure it out. Oh, is it a cockatoo? Aww. Wait, now it's not that creepy. So it grows it like hair. Oh my god, dude, it looks like a ball sack. It looks like a ball sack, man. Oh. God damn.